Hey everyone, it's Sarah Fleming from Prepare to Die Papercrafts, and I have a fun little card for you today that uses the Snowman Season Bundle. It's this stamp set, which is really cute. It has two of my favorite sentiments in the holiday catalog. I absolutely love the font on those, and you've got it for the tag too, and I just think they're super cute. And I love the snowman too. And then it comes with this, well, it doesn't come with the Snowman Builder Punch, but you can get the two of them together in a bundle for 10% off. And I'm using the full bundle today. And I'm starting with a Flirty Flamingo card base. This is 5.5 by 8.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Let It Snow Specialty Designer Series paper. And this is the piece with all the mittens on it. And it's 5.5 inches across by 2 inches. I'm going to glue that down right at the bottom. Okay. And now I have a piece of 5.5 inches by 1/2 inch real red cardstock. And I'm going to glue that slightly overlapping the piece that is already down. And I'm going to line this up on my grid paper so that I know I'm getting a straight, so I know it's going to be straight on there. Yes. And the next thing I'm going to add, I have this adorable embellishment kit. This is the Let It Snow embellishment kit. I absolutely adore this kit. And I've got the washi tape from it. It's this gorgeous glitter washi tape. And I'm just taping it right along the bottom edge of that real red cardstock. And I'm going to snip it off so that I get a straight edge, but normally I would just tear it. Okay. But anyway, in the kit you get these felt hats and mittens and scarves. You get little stickers that are, you know, dimensional for noses. You get these little felt balls. So they're pretty cute. It's a super cute kit and I absolutely love it. Okay, now I'm going to stamp my sentiment because I want to make sure that I have enough room for my sentiment before I put my snowman on. So I'm going to stamp right over here at the edge. I'm stamping in real red. I like real red and Flirty Flamingo together. I think they actually go great together. There are certain pinks that you can't do with red, but you can definitely do real red with Flirty Flamingo. I have the largest stitched shapes circle. And so I've already cut that out of Whisper White. And so I'm going to place this over here so that it's on my card, but, you know, gives me some room for, I mean, it's got enough room for my snowman, but also is not covering the sentiment. And that looks like a good spot. So I'm just going to put glue where I'm going to put it on. I'm going ahead and building as much of the card as I can before I add our feature, which is going to be our snow person. It's a snow whatever you want. I'm just snipping off the edge of that. Snipping off, you know, the excess. And now I'm stamping my snowflakes on here in Flirty Flamingo ink. And these snowflakes are also in the stamp set. And I don't want full coverage on here, but I want quite a lot of it covered. But I'm going to leave a little space up near the top and near the real red. So I'm going to stamp this off once before I stamp it. This is Blueberry Bushel. In my prototype I did not stamp off, and I wished I had. So I decided to stamp it off here. So I stamped it off once on scrap paper and then on the paper, and then I'm punching it. And then I'm going to color him just a little bit. He doesn't need a lot. And I'm going to color the snowman in Balmy Blue. This is a dark Balmy Blue. I'm putting just a little around the left edge. You could do right edge. It's so funny. Whenever I color this snowman, I, for some reason, keep doing it on the left edge to show shadows on that side. Like, I always assume the sun is over here. But I don't know why I do that. So I'm just like kind of diluting it a little bit with the color lifter, and my color lifter is almost out, so I need to, well, I'm going to refill it. They're not really refillable, but the color lifter itself, I usually stick in some alcohol. No, I want to use the other end. I stick it in a bottle of like 70% alcohol and let it soak up the alcohol from there for a while. And it kind of works for me, so shh, don't tell anyone. There's your little tip. I'm going to give him a little bit of a shadow under his carrot nose and under his buttons. This is light smoky slate here. Alright. And then I'm going to stamp his hands. When you punch out the snowman, you also punch out hands. And you can use this as a template. Place it down, then stick all of your stamps in there to line them up, and then and then just stamp down, and then they're going to punch out right. But these are actually really easy to line up, so I haven't bothered with that yet. So I line up the stick, the middle stick, on my grid paper, and then I just kind of look through the stamp and go straight down, and I make sure I'm stamping right on that line, and then I do a pretty good job. Okay, I'm going to glue his arms behind him. Okay, and now I'm going to give our little, Snow Woman I decided, because I already have the pink ones out. So I'm going to glue that felt scarf on, and you have to let it dry for a while. And I'm going to go ahead and put her hat on too. And then I'm going to stick the block down on it and let it dry for a second. Alright, now she's dry enough, or at least dry enough for the video. I'm going to overlap the hat and the paper when I put these dimensionals on, just to kind of give it a little extra. Not sure that dimensional is going to do much with the felt, which is why I used liquid glue to put it on, because really that's the only way to get felt to stick to paper, at least that I've found. And so I'm going to stick her here-ish, there, and just a little bit of an angle just for fun. And then I'm going to stick on some rhinestones, lots of rhinestones I decided, because I decided that this is a fun card and it needs lots of fun bling. Alright, and there is the outside of our card, and for the inside I'm going to go ahead and use there's an inside sentiment that comes with it. That's hoping this season builds heartwarming memories. So I think you could also use it on the outside. So I think that's a good one for this card, since we've got our snowman on this card. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp some more snowflakes in Flirty Flamingo ink. Just kind of wherever I feel like. So I'm not trying to make it like symmetrical or anything, so I'm just going to do kind of around those sides, and then I'm going to glue this down to the inside of the card, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I have a class using this bundle, an online class going on right now. I've got the link in the comments down below, or in the description down below. So if you're interested in getting more ideas that use this bundle, make sure to check out that class. And thanks for watching. Bye!